Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button, bell notification every time so you can know every time that a video drop. If you want to know why I'm out here looking like Peter Tosh today, don't worry about that. I'm just in the garden. Today, I had to clean up a plant that had been haunting the garden for at least a year and a half. And I just ended up harvesting everything off that plant and getting rid of it because it just literally took over a whole raised bed, and I just don't have the real estate in the garden for that. So with that being said, look at this, guys. Look, if you know what this basket looks like, or if you've seen this basket before, you know how heavy and how full this is with the yellow pear tomatoes. I literally had to get rid of those tomatoes. It became one of those feed me Seymour plants and it was just eating up everything. Roots all in the raised bed. Oh, roots upon roots upon roots. And that's why every time I cut this plant back, every time I cut it back, it just came back so aggressively. So anyway, I got that done, but the sun came out blazing, and so now I have to run for the hills. I'm gonna wash these up, bag some up, give some away, eat some, cook some. All that is going down today. This is just way too much tomatoes, and I already have a whole bunch of tomatoes in the freezer already, and I usually use those frozen tomatoes when I make my collard greens. That is the other thing that I have to tackle. I have to knock down these collards that are in the other raised bed, kind of like really taking over everything, and getting the bed ready. I got some compost that I need to drop in there, get the soil prepped up and ready for the next round of planting that's going in there. But anyway, I know you guys are like, oh, it's not a dragon fruit video. But yes, it is. I got some new varieties of dragon fruit that are bubbling. And then I'm going to drop another dragon fruit video of two different varieties two different new varieties to me that I just harvested. And then I'm going to drop that video right after this video. Come on, guys. I got to drop this content. There is no need for me to hold this content back. I'm just going to release this content. I'm going to just release this content back to back to back. This is what I'm doing. And I just want to get this out to you as quickly as possible. And if you thought it was over, I still got one more Trinidad and Tobago video that I have to drop. I got lots of videos to drop. So I'm going to keep the content coming, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy it, man, just go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe for your boy. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one, juicing with Jay. And I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.